Hi, Rana here again. So, today we will learn how to write a content brief using ChatGPT with computator and SERP means SERP analysis. SERP is the search engine result page. For example, and this page is known as a SERP. It is the search engine result page. So, we have generated the outline of our competitor using the prompt. We have pasted the top three competitors which were ranking for against this keyword. This is the number one cabinet now, Vivano. So these are. So we have generated the outline. Now we will write a prompt to generate the content brief by analyzing SERP and analyzing the competitor's URL. So here we will write the prompt. The prompt is understand competitor's content back with content brief by improving competitor's content outline must include the author's verdict, opinion, stats, or research-based information used in the competitor's content, any news-based information, and also analyze SERP and some top websites for a good idea of latest information against the keyword, length, tone, and audience. The output will be a detailed content brief. Okay, send this message to GPT. Now it's searching the SERP, analyzing the SERP, and visiting the top websites. Here is the output based on through analysis of the computer's content and the latest trend content brief for kitchen cabinet wood article. Here's introduction, types. Now it's writing the blog outline, then the post outline. Include relevant stats or research information, tone and audience, average length of the article, visual layout, such your keywords. So now we have a detailed content brief based on the SERP and competitor analysis using AI. Thank you.